Hello, today we're exploring the powerful benefits of multimedia and information and communication technology, or ICT, in our 21st century world. Let's dive into how these tools shape our lives, education, and workplace. Creativity and innovation. This means offering tools and online places that helps people create art, design things, and come up with new ideas more easily. Accessibility. Creating digital content and tools that everyone can use, including people with disabilities, so that everyone has the same chance to access information and opportunities. Global connectivity. Being able to reach and talk to people, get information no matter where you are in the world. It helps people work together, share ideas, and understand each other across the different cultures and countries. Healthcare advancement. Using digital tools in healthcare benefits 21st century ICT because it makes treatment faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. This helps doctor care for patients better, saves time, and reduces errors, improving overall health services for everyone. Increased access to services and information. This means anyone, anywhere can learn new skills, take online courses, get important news, or even access healthcare and financial services without physical limits. It breaks down barriers like distance and time, making education and services more available and affordable for everyone. This opens up new opportunities for personal and professional growth no matter where a person lives. Innovation and research. This means giving us strong tools to analyze data, work together, and share the results quickly. This speeds up discoveries and helps new technologies develop faster.